St. Mary's Convent School, Mariam Nagar. Good morning, my dear students. Class LKG, subject EVS. Today we will learn about water animals. What is sea? A sea is large body of salt water that are surrounded by land. There are many creatures or animals and plants found in the sea. What are water animals? Water animals are usually known as marine animals or sea animals. Just like birds, water animals are another beautiful creatures in this world. Water animals live and swim in water. Water animals may breathe air through lungs or gills by extracting the oxygen that is present in water. Some of the water animals live in fresh water are called freshwater animals, and those living in salt water are called marine or sea animals. Whale, shark, turtle, dolphin, fishes, jellyfish are some of water animals. Let's know some water animals. Starfish. Starfish is an animal that has 5 arms. They have no brain or blood. Fish. A fish is an animal which lives and breathes in water. All fish have backbone and mostly breathe through gills and have fins and scale. Jellyfish. Jellyfish live in the sea and are found in all oceans. Some jellyfish live in fresh water. They look like a little umbrella. They can be very large and brightly colored. They can often be transparent or translucent and can be very hard to see. Seahorse. A seahorse is a fish. They have backbone but no ribs. They have 3 main fins to help them swim. They move their fins very quickly, similar to hummingbird, but they are not fast swimmers. Crocodile. Crocodile is an amphibian and can survive on land as well as underwater. They eat flesh. They have very hard and dry skin to protect themselves from the attack of predators. They have sharp pointed teeth. Whale. Whale is the largest animals that live in water. It has 2 fins to swim. Whales are mammals, that means they grow their babies inside them. Whales have a blowhole in the top of their head to breathe in. Shark is a fast swimmer. It is smaller than whale. The shark has sharp teeth. It has fins to swim in the water. Sharks are carnivorous. That means they eat other animals. Turtle. Turtle is one of the oldest creatures in this world. Turtles generally live in water or sometimes on land. A turtle has a shell that covers its body. Octopus. Octopus is sea animal with 8 arms. It has no bones in its body. The body of an octopus looks like a bag and has 2 large eyes. The body of the octopus moves as the octopus breathes. Crab. The crab is an animal with a flat body covered by a hard shell. It has 10 legs and 2 small eyes. It has no bone in its body and live in the sea. Let's learn some questions. Question number 1. Name any 5 water animals. Say with me: fish, whale, shark, turtle, crab. Say with me again: fish, whale, shark, turtle, crab. Very good. You can learn any 5 water animals. Question number 2. Recognize the given water animals. Okay, tell me, which animal is this? This is starfish. Next, which animal is this? This is shark. Now look, which animal is this? This is turtle. Which animal? Turtle. Now look, which animal is this? This is fish. Next, which animal is this? This is whale. Now, which animal is this? Tell me. This is octopus. Next, which animal is this? This is jellyfish. Next, which animal is this? This is crab. Next, which animal is this? This is seahorse. Look, which animal is this? This is crocodile. Thank you and have a nice day.